The Great Debt-Canceling Delusion and the Operator's Path. Friends, lend me your ears, for I have witnessed a peculiar madness sweeping through the digital territory. Not long ago, a video surfaced claiming there was a magical sequence of numbers, a secret routing number, if you will, that could make a man's debts vanish like a mist on the Mississippi. Over 155,000 souls clicked on that hope, not because they were simpletons, but because they were desperate. They felt in their bones that the banking system was a rigged game where money is conjured from thin air and signatures are monetized. They went looking for a shortcut, a magic coupon to satisfy their obligations, only to find that the only thing disappearing was their peace of mind as the bills kept piling up and the late fees multiplied. Now, let us be plain. The problem wasn't their instinct, it was the mechanism. Thinking a routing number on a money order will pay your debt is like thinking you can cross the Atlantic in a bathtub just because you have a map. It has been tested in the courts of law and the halls of commerce, and it simply does not hold water. What it does produce is a bit of confusion and a ticking clock on borrowed time. The real power, the true magic, is not found in a secret code, but in the numbers already printed on your statements, the account numbers, the dates of delinquency, and the identities of those who claim you owe them. These are the stones upon which a legitimate challenge is built. A true operator, a person who understands the system instead of just fighting it, reads the whole document, not just the amount due. You must know the difference between a creditor who owns the debt and a servicer who merely collects it. You must understand that if a debt is older than 7 years, or past the statute of limitations, the law itself provides the shield you need. There are tools like the qualified written request for mortgages that legally compel a company to provide a full accounting of your loan. If they fail to answer within the time the law allows, they have stumbled, and that is where your leverage begins. So, put away your mystical dreams of instant riches and start organizing your binders. Every account needs a folder, every statement needs a careful eye. Knowledge of the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the rules of commerce is a far better weapon than any secret sequence. The system may feel stacked against you, but it is a machine with gears and levers. If you learn where those levers are, by watching the dates and demanding transparency, you can navigate these treacherous waters. Remember, it isn't the number that cancels the debt, it is your understanding of the law that sets you free.